Are you a lawyer who knows just enough about AI to be scared of it? That's great, because it probably means you're pretty smart. I'm definitely not a tech bro. I'm a lawyer myself, but I also am really good at using AI, mainly because I'm a giant nerd. That's why I started this channel, is to teach other lawyers to become great at using AI too. Welcome to Totally Real Law Firm, where I teach real lawyers to get artificial help to make their law practices great. Hi, I'm Rachel, and I'm a reluctant, socially awkward lawyer, but I'm also a total dork about AI. I practiced law for over 20 years, including having my own firm for a while. I spent the past few years learning how to use AI so I could figure out what all the hype was about, and to keep it from taking my job. Originally, I was going to package up and sell AI products that could help lawyers in their daily practice. I decided to teach them how to use it instead. Why would I do this? Because AI isn't that hard to use if you're already a good writer, and because there are more of you out there than ever that need to get a boost in your legal careers. Remember, some other lawyer will know how to do this stuff, so you have to understand it better than that guy. I definitely don't have a background in computer science or anything like that. I just thought the tech stuff was cool ever since I was a kid. And like many other techs that I've already learned and forgotten, I decided to figure out how to use this one too. Listen, AI is coming for everybody's job, or at least that's what we're supposed to be panicking about. A lot of the reasons for this panic is that most people don't understand it very well. Either they don't know how to prompt AI properly, or they don't know what it's best used for. This is why you see AI used in very stupid ways, and it's definitely the case with lawyers. Look at these examples of lawyers using AI like idiots, leading them to look stupid or even open themselves up to malpractice. They provided AI written crap with sites that ChatGPT completely fabricated. I decided to create this channel to help teach lawyers about AI to avoid these types of embarrassing mistakes. There's another reason too. That's because I want to teach you how to use AI in your practice to give you an edge over the firms who can actually afford staff. Not by having AI do the legal work for you, but by taking over all the busy work that you would have to deal with every day that might have nothing at all to do with what you learned in law school. The fact is, under now outdated data from 2023, 40% of you are solo practitioners. 75% are in firms with under 6 lawyers. But let's be honest about that. Those numbers are likely complete bullshit by now for a number of reasons. I'm assuming then that there are many more of you out there that need this information to make your life easier than is shown by outdated statistics. This channel is for you. Why? Because I did run my own firm for a while and I know just how much work it is. And I also know that most of the work of running your own firm is not even related to practicing law at all. You didn't spend 3 years getting your JD to spend a Saturday optimizing the wording on your website to boost your search rank. You also didn't spend all that time in law school to spend your evenings that you'd rather spend with your kid creating the perfect client intake form. Ultimately, though, that is what solo practice is all about: mundane administrative tasks. How much time do you think you spend on all this administrative stuff in your practice every week? How much more time do you think you would be able to focus on billable work if all of that was just taken care of? How much more time would it open it up for you to, live the rest of your life if you just took some of this work off of your plate? I'm not going to teach you how to prompt ChatGPT to draft everything for you. That's honestly very stupid. I am going to discourage you from doing that. And I'm also going to discourage you from doing most of the awful advice that you see out there about how to use AI for lawyers. Don't paste your complaint into ChatGPT and ask it to write an answer for you. Don't put a chat bot on your website that offers legal advice. And don't have ChatGPT do your research for you by bringing up all the cases you hope to use in that brief. These are all stupid things to do, and here's why. AI is not private. At least without extra work on your part that will be outside the scope of what we'll be talking about on this channel. Your client data will not be safe, and that's bad. The information may not be reliable. There's plenty of examples out there of ChatGPT making up things like cases, quotes, and citations. AI hallucinations are a thing, and that is also bad. You'll look stupid, you'll look lazy, you'll look untrustworthy. You'll piss off the client, you'll piss off the courts, you'll piss off other lawyers. You could get sued, and you could potentially get disbarred. That also is all quite bad. But finally, why would you go to all the effort of going to law school and passing the bar and then just let Skynet write everything for you? That's just stupid. What I will teach you is all the ways that you can automate basic tasks in your practice, because that's something that AI is really great at. Here's some examples of some of the things you'll be learning by watching the channel. You'll create captions for an Instagram reel that'll help you reach more clients. You create a bullet point summary of a government report or press release so that it's easier for you to digest. Create blog posts for your website that are meant to attract clients and boost your SEO. Or create a chatbot for your firm's website that might answer basic questions such as your office hours or how to contact you. I'm also going to teach you about the basics of how AI works, what it's good for, and where you really shouldn't use it. I'll help you build confidence when you're prompting ChatGPT and other AI models to give you results in a way where you aren't going to be embarrassing yourself and you get what you want. I'll also teach you what you need to know as a lawyer when it comes to using AI in your practice and in your career, whether this means any ethical concerns, latest developments in the industry, or whatever new products might be available to lawyers. If it's practical, if it's helpful, and if it won't get you sued, I'll probably be covering it on this channel. I may not be a tech bro, but I do like roasting tech bros, so there definitely is going to be a little bit of that too. Maybe a few lawyer jokes. So if you're a lawyer who's freaked out by AI, subscribe. That way you can learn more about it and definitely see that you're right to be freaked out by it, at least if you don't use it right. You're also going to figure out how you'll be a better lawyer and to run your practice more efficiently, hopefully without making a fool of yourself along the way. What do you want to learn to do with AI? What terrifies you about it? Leave your comment below. Maybe I'll even make a future episode about that. Make sure you like and subscribe. That not only helps you see the information that I provide, but it helps others get it too. And finally, don't forget to follow us at Totally Real Law Firm on TikTok to get mini lessons and news updates. Than ever, that need to get a boost in their legal careers. Did I hear the cat?
You did.
Thanks for messing up my take, cat. Here's our blooper.
There you go.
Okay, let me go back a couple. Come here. Come on, cat. You want to visit? Yeah, you're messing up everything. Come on. Oh.
All right.
Sweat rag. All right.
Still roll.